Alright, what's going on, fellow memers? It's your boy, it's the Instagram plug back here again. Shout out to Tuv, his link is going to be at the top of the description. I DM'd him on Instagram, but he wasn't down. You're going to want to make sure you watch the whole video because this is basically all of my videos compiled into one video. 6 of my best tips that I'll recommend to you guys when starting a meme page. You can watch my other videos for a whole in-depth video on the certain topic, but I think these are the most crucial tips, boys. The most crucial tips when it comes to making a meme page. And you guys can thank me when you hit 10K. Never forget that. You're not an average memer. Not any memer is gonna get past 1,000 followers on Instagram, guys. Just wake up every morning and remind yourself how much of a better memer you are than everyone else. So there's tons and tons of people that message me every day and they're like, yo, Matty bro, I've been watching your videos, why aren't I growing? And here's the reason, boys. It's because you aren't watching the whole damn video. It says only 20% of you guys are getting to the end. That's why there's only 20% of you guys that are actually growing and making a successful meme page. You have to watch the whole video, but just for you guys, I'm gonna shorten all the videos and make it into one video. You're welcome. My first tip for you guys is to stop copying and pasting your hashtags. In my hashtag video, I go over which hashtags to use, how to find them, and it's not using an app or website. So if you guys want to see how to find your hashtags, you're going to want to make sure you watch that video. It's going to be right here. This works for Android and iPhone. Basically, all you have to do is go to settings, keyboard, text replacement. You're going to say your hashtags in the text replacement, so every time you type a certain combination of letters, it's going to paste your hashtags. So instead of going to your notes, copying your hashtags, going back to your post, pasting it, all you have to do is type ... and it's going to paste all of your hashtags. Alright, what's going on, boys? Since it's currently 2 a.m., I'm not going to go to the green screen to re-record this, but make sure you like the video so I can get big on YouTube. Thanks, boys. My second tip for you guys is to set up your bio so that you're getting free shoutouts. And that's a good price. So I get a lot of messages from you guys watching my videos, but I see you guys making this one simple mistake. If you guys want free shoutouts, all you have to do is put hashtag your account name and tag your account name for a repost in your bio. It's gonna look something like this. And just by doing this, people are gonna tag you in their post and you're gonna get a ton of free shoutouts. And I'm gonna be showing an example right here. Because all of these people are thirsty for shoutouts, so they're gonna tag you and use your hashtag for a repost, which is basically a free shoutout. If any of their followers click on the tags, they're gonna see my account. That's basically just more exposure to your page. My third tip for you guys is to take advantage of these carousels. Carousels? Is that what they call it? Is that what the boomers call it nowadays? Carousels? I always called it a slideshow. But anyways, the longer these people are on your post, the higher chance that they're gonna like your post, and the higher chance that you're gonna get on the explore page because people are gonna be engaging on your photos more. If there's 10 photos to slide from, there's a higher chance that they're gonna like one of the 10 photos than if you just post one photo or video. Basically, people like choices. So if you put more than one photo, you're gonna get a higher chance of getting on the explore page. My fourth tip for you guys is to focus on the content. Stop looking at your follower count and how slowly it's growing and just focus on hitting explore and trying to get that bread. There's so many of you guys in my Discord that just randomly drop your @ and tell everyone in my Discord to follow you. First of all, everyone in my Discord is a bunch of people running meme pages. They don't give a shit about your meme page. Second of all, if I was a meme page in my Discord and you dropped your @ I would be going to your meme page and stealing your memes to post on my meme page. Dude, these people in my Discord, they don't care. They're trying to grow their account. They're not trying to follow you and like all your photos, you know what I mean? Like, I can just imagine someone just like going to every single Discord they can. They're just like dropping their @ going into Reddit forums or just dropping their @ randomly in like random ass top posts on Reddit. I'm just like, dude, what are you doing? Stop doing this and start looking for good content because that's how you're gonna get on the explore page. Really, all of you guys will follow 200 people and you're like, why isn't my follower count going up? I'm like, dude, you literally just started the account. Give it some time, dude. I said it was gonna be easy. I never said it was gonna be fast. Stop focusing on your follower count in the beginning. Just focus on follow for follow and trying to hit explore. That's all that really matters. It doesn't matter if your ratio is 1:5, 1:4, 1:3. Just keep going until you hit explore. That's all you have to do. It's so easy. All that really matters in the initial stage of growing your account is making sure that you don't get action blocked for follow and you get to the point where your page can hit explore so you don't have to keep follow for following. My fifth tip for you guys is that you can log into actually more than 5 accounts. I know a lot of you guys think that you're limited to 5 accounts, but I figured out a way where you can log into more. All you have to do is when you're signing out, you have to sign out of all accounts and make sure you hit remember the password. If you do this, Instagram's gonna save the cache, so every time you try to log into a new account, it's gonna think that you're logged out of the other ones. But once you log into the new account, your old accounts are still there, so instead of 5 accounts, you're gonna be at 6. As I'm recording this video, November 2nd, Instagram has not patched this, so make sure that you guys take advantage of this before they patch it. My sixth tip kind of relates to tip number 4. It's to remove inactive and ghost followers and other people trying to do follow for follow. If you see a page that's following more than 5,000 people, obviously they're doing follow for follow. You don't want them. If you see a bot account that just has a link in their bio, you don't want them. You're going to want to remove them. If you just see a page that follows you and you already know they're not going to engage with your post, just remove them because you don't want them. They're going to lower your chance of getting on the explore page. The explore page works based off of your engagement to follower ratio. If your engagement to follower ratio is really low because you have a bunch of spam accounts following you, then you're not going to hit explore. And I made a whole video on this, and you can watch this here. This video talks about why my 740,000 follower page is no longer going to hit explore, and I suggest watching it before you guys continue to grow a dead account that has no chance of getting on explore. Now, if you guys found any value in this video, make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions. I'm still a new YouTuber. I literally